Everybody, so today we are going to start with the next experiment. The title of this experiment is heat transfer in forced convection. So in this experiment our aim will be to find out the value of heat transfer coefficient in forced convection. Obviously the value of heat transfer in forced convection will be higher than the value of heat transfer coefficient in the natural convection. Okay. So in this experimental setup we again have a similar kind of control panel, and then we have a physical problem of this experimental setup. Okay. Now in this setup this particular component from here to here, this is called as the test section. Okay. So in this test section here we have one pipe here. You can see this blue colored pipe is there. So this blue colored pipe is there, isn't it? Now through this blue colored pipe we'll be having a will be forcing the air to flow this blue colored pipe through. Okay. Here we have a blower. So blower will force this air through this blue colored pipe. Now you can regulate the supply of that air also using this knob here. Okay, you have a regulating valve here. Using that you can regulate the supply of air. Okay. Based on that, obviously the velocity of air will be different. Okay, at different values of this supply of air. Okay. So as the velocity changes, obviously you have already studied that heat transfer coefficient will also change. Okay. Now our aim will be to determine the value of heat transfer coefficient at different velocities. Okay. That is nothing but at different supplies or different volumetric flow of the air. Okay. Now in this test section this pipe is there through which the air is flowing. Above this pipe you have heater coil is there, and above that here you have this insulating pipe is there. Okay. Now we can regulate the supply to that heater. Okay. Now that heater actually heats the air which comes out from this pipe. Okay. And obviously this pipe it keeps on losing heat to this air which is flowing through it. Okay. So that is the test section. Once again I will explain you. Here what you see here, this is the insulating pipe is there. Inside this you have a heater. That heater heats this pipe, actually this blue colored pipe inside this, and there is air which is flowing through this pipe. That air carries away the heat from this heated pipe by the mode of forced convection, and our aim is to find out the value of heat transfer coefficient. So for that you have to measure actually the velocity of air which is flowing through this. So for that you have to measure the discharge of air through this pipe. Okay. For measuring the discharge through this pipe you have a manometer here. You can see here, this is the manometer. You can note down the manometric reading here, or you can note down the manometric head, we call it as head. Okay. This head is for the water, whereas the discharge which you want to measure, it is for the air. That is why you will have to convert this head of water into head of air, and using your fluid mechanics formula you have to then find out the discharge through this pipe. Okay. Based on that discharge of air you can find out the velocity of air through this pipe, and based on that using formula you can determine the value of heat transfer coefficient. So I hope this is sufficient enough to know about this experimental setup. Rest theory will be explained by your teachers during your practical session. Okay. Thank you.